-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. Checking fluid level. The brake fluid level should be between the max and min lines on the tank. Max. Min. Adding fluid. Make sure to check the fluid type and prepare the necessary item. Fluid type FMVSS number 116DOT3 or SAEJ1703 brake fluid, or FMVSS number 116DOT4 or SAEJ1704 brake fluid. Item clean funnel. Brake fluid can absorb moisture from the air. Excess moisture in the brake fluid can cause a dangerous loss of braking efficiency. Use only newly opened brake fluid. 7-3, do-it-yourself maintenance. 373. If none of the washer do not work or the warning message appears on the multi-information display, the washer tank may be empty. Add washer fluid. 426. 374-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. The 12-volt battery is located in the right-hand side of the trunk. Remove the 12-volt battery cover. Make sure that the 12-volt battery terminals are not corroded and that there are no loose connections, cracks, or loose clamps. Terminals. Hold down clamp. 7-3, do-it-yourself maintenance. 375. Install the 12-volt battery cover. Before recharging. When recharging, the 12-volt battery produces hydrogen gas, which is flam, mable, and explosive. Therefore, observe the following precautions before recharging. If recharging with the 12-volt battery installed on the vehicle, be sure to disconnect the ground cable. Make sure the power switch on the charger is off when connecting and disconnecting the charger cables to the 12-volt battery. After recharging/reconnecting the 12-volt battery. Unlocking the doors using the smart key system may not be possible immediately after reconnecting the 12-volt battery. If this happens, use the wireless remote control or the mechanical key to lock/unlock the doors. Start the fuel cell system with the power switch in accessory mode. The fuel cell system may not start with the power switch turned off. However, the fuel cell system will operate normally from the second attempt. The power switch mode is recorded by the vehicle. If the 12-volt battery is reconnected, the vehicle will return the power switch mode to the status it was in before the 12-volt battery was disconnected. Make sure to turn off the power before disconnect the 12-volt battery. Take extra care when connecting the 12-volt battery if the power switch mode prior to discharge is unknown. When the 12-volt battery is reconnected, start the fuel cell system, depress the brake pedal, and confirm that it is possible to shift into each shift position. If the system will not start even after multiple attempts at all methods above, contact your Toyota dealer. 376-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. Warning. Chemicals in the 12-volt battery. The 12-volt battery contains poisonous and corrosive sulfuric acid and may produce hydrogen gas, which is flammable and explosive. To reduce the risk of death or serious injury, take the following precautions while working on or near the 12-volt battery. Do not cause sparks by touching the 12-volt battery terminals with tools. Do not smoke or light a match near the 12-volt battery. Avoid contact with eyes, skin, and clothes. Never inhale or swallow electrolyte. Wear protective safety glasses when working near the 12-volt battery. Keep children away from the 12-volt battery. Where to safely charge the 12-volt battery. Always charge the 12-volt battery in an open area. Do not charge the 12-volt battery in a garage or closed room where there is insufficient ventilation. How to recharge the 12-volt battery? Only perform a slow charge A or less. The 12-volt battery may explode if charged at a quicker rate. Emergency measures regarding electrolyte. If electrolyte gets in your eyes, flush your eyes with clean water for at least 15 minutes and get immediate medical attention. If possible, continue to apply water with a sponge or cloth while traveling to the nearest medical facility. If electrolyte gets on your skin, wash the affected area thoroughly. If you feel pain or burning, get medical attention immediately. If electrolyte gets on your clothes, it can soak through clothing onto your skin. Immediately take off the cloth, and follow the procedure above if necessary. If you accidentally swallow electrolyte, drink a large quantity of water or milk. Get emergency medical attention immediately. When replacing the 12-volt battery, use a 12-volt battery designed for this vehicle. Failure to do so may cause gas hydrogen to enter the passenger compartment, causing a fire or explosion. For replacement of the 12-volt battery, contact your Toyota dealer. 7-3, Do-It-Yourself Maintenance. 377. 378-3. Do-It-Yourself Maintenance. Check if the tread wear indicators are showing on the tires. Also check the tires for uneven wear, such as excessive wear on one side of the tread. Check the spare tire condition and pressure if not rotated. New tread, worn tread. Tread wear indicator. The location of tread wear indicators is shown by a TWI or mark, etc., molded into the sidewall of each tire. Replace the tires if the tread wear indicators are showing on a tire. Rotate the tires in the order shown. To equalize tire wear and extend tire life, Toyota recommends that tire rotation is carried out at the same interval as tire inspection. 7-3, Do-It-Yourself Maintenance. 379. Your vehicle is equipped with a tire pressure warning system that uses tire pressure warning valves and transmitters to detect low tire inflow, tire pressure, before serious problems arise. If the tire pressure drops below a predetermined level, the driver is warned by a warning light. 421. Installing tire pressure warning valves and transmitters. When replacing tires or wheels, tire pressure warning valves and transmitters must also be installed. When new tire pressure warning valves and transmitters are installed, new ID codes must be registered in the tire pressure warning computer and the tire pressure warning system must be initialized. Have tire pressure warning valves and transmitter ID codes registered by your Toyota dealer. 379. Registering ID codes. The tire pressure warning valve and transmitter is equipped with a unique ID code. When replacing a tire pressure warning valve and transmitter, it is necessary to register the ID code. Have the ID code registered by your Toyota dealer.